Throw it out. Hours before the retrial of a former University of Cincinnati police officer, his attorneys call for the case to be dismissed. At the center of their argument, my exclusive interview with Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Deters.
Did you consider adding a lesser charge?
Well, the judge can do that. Judge Giz can do that she can do that right before the jury gets the thing. She can add those, before she charges the jury, she can add lesser included offenses. And I suspect she will.
That is the statement that attorneys for Ray Tensing say violated a gag order. Tensing is facing a retrial in the traffic stop killing of Sam DuBose in July of 2015. Night on Your Side reporter Evan Millward showed my entire interview to a former Hamilton County judge, and he joins us now live outside the courthouse with his reaction to the motion. Evan?
Well, Tanya, Norbert Nadel is now the recorder here in Hamilton County. He said a dismissal like this would be unprecedented in his experience, and he spent 40 years on the bench. He and I sat down and watched your whole interview together earlier this evening.
And you believe in your heart of hearts he's guilty? Or are you not?
Well, I'm not allowed to say that.
Okay, understood.
But let me tell you this, as a general rule, if I didn't believe somebody was guilty, I would not have sought an indictment.
Former Hamilton County Judge Norbert Nadel watches Tanya O'Rourke's entire 6-minute interview, taking notes the whole time.
Would it change your mind about anything?
No.
Why is that?
I looked at the video, and I think what the prosecutor said, he was very careful in using his words, and I think what he said was pretty innocuous.
But attorneys for former UC officer Ray Tensing disagree, filing this motion late Wednesday, calling it, quote, an attempt to influence and bias prospective jurors. In the WCPO interview, Deters acknowledges a gag order.
So I can only speak generally about why we retry cases.
Two of Deters' staff sat off screen there, we were told, to make sure he didn't violate that order.
You file any motion you can, because you never know what a court's going to do. But I have never seen a case dismissed based upon what a prosecutor said in the media. I have never seen that.
Now, potential jurors start showing up here in the morning, and Nadel said he expects that it will be something that both sides ask about, whether those jurors saw this particular interview during jury selection. Tanya.
All right, Evan, you know, Norbert Nadel is also a former prosecutor, so what did he make of Deters even doing the interview?
Yeah, I asked him that specifically, Tanya, and he said he didn't have a problem with it at all, reiterating that he thought Deters was very, very careful not to disclose anything about the case that people didn't already know.
Tonight, and I will tell you that Deters did tell an assistant prosecutor to let Judge Giz know what was said in that interview while I was there. And as we mentioned, jury selection is expected to begin tomorrow morning. 250 potential jurors will fill out questionnaires in Hamilton County Judge Leslie Giz's courtroom. On Friday, jurors will return in groups of 50 for jury voir dire. Opening statements are expected to begin next week. We do have my entire interview with Joe Deters for you on WCPO.com right now. 9 on Your Side is dedicated to covering every development in the Ray Tensing trial. And we have a team of reporters, photographers, and digital editors working exclusively on this retrial. You can watch every second of the court proceedings when they begin on WCPO.com and the 9 on Your Side mobile app. There will also be a feed of information being constantly updated on WCPO.com.